This is the Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus. Okay, another Unifi product right here. This is the Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus, or Cloud Key Plus Gen 2, if I may. Anyways, we are going to unbox this one. This is very, very simple, and it's very compact as well. This basically hosts the Unifi Controller. Currently, what I'm doing is I'm running the my Mac OS VM, my virtual machine, and running the Unifi Controller right there. But the problem with that is that when the Mac OS is off, then I can't really get to the Unifi Controller. So we are going to review this basically. Okay, so first off, we have the Unifi logo right here with the instructions manual. It's more like a card, but they really feel premium. Especially this is a 5-year-old product by Unifi. But still, you get the QR code right here, scan to get it started, Cloud Key Plus, and more QR code at the back. And then another QR code right here with a white paper. And as you can see, it shows all that you can do about this one. So this Cloud Key Plus is not only to host the Unifi Controller, you could also use this to record, because I plan in the future to set up my security cameras with Unifi, of course. And so we have the QR code right here, Unifi Network, Apple Store and Google Play here. We have 2 stickers. Are these stickers? Yeah, these are stickers, Unifi Protect. See, they are already promoting the cameras right here, Unifi Protect. Because not only does this host the controller, you can also host this for your cameras, basically. Okay, so Cloud Key Plus, another QR code right here. We have a basic instructions manual right here, number 1. Yep, the Unifi controller is basically a PoE. It's not even PoE Plus, so this is pretty, would say, power efficient, if I may. It will connect to your switch. I have the Unifi switch that I recently reviewed. Okay, so tiny text, like crazy tiny safety notices if applicable, all the languages right here and all that. Okay, that's it. I don't know if you guys can see, maybe like, yep, probably that. Yep, right here, the Unifi Cloud Key connected to the switch. And then I guess you can access it to your phone or Bluetooth, wireless or Bluetooth. This is I would assume the Wi-Fi access point. I have the U7 Pro. Anyways, put this back. So, main product right here. Ooh, the thing I like about Unifi is like their packaging is pretty much the same as Apple. They're kind of like the Apple to like enterprise or network space, if I may. And we have the wrap right here. Let's peel this off. Ooh, nice. I like this one. Does it come with any other? Nope. Does it come with other accessories? Just this and the manual. Very, very like minimalistic type of thing. Anyways, okay. So here's how it looks like. Can you guys see? I'm not entirely sure. Might have to check my lightings and stuff. But on top, you have the Unifi logo right here. Then in front, you get the all LCD or LED screen right here. To the right, Cloud Key Plus that says, and I'm assuming that's where you're gonna see all the metrics or the data. And then okay, my bad, this is not a screen. The screen is just this part right here, probably like I don't know, 1/3 of the entire base. This one is the HDD or storage, the hard drive storage. If I can open, let's try to open this one. Okay, here you go. That snap. There is a latch right here, or a lever that you pull to open, and then there's a Cloud Key rack link right here. Okay, this is the link. You can open this one. Before we take that off, at the back, first of all, the power button is all the way to the left. Then USB-C, it says QC 2.0, and then a reset button right here above the USB-C port. Then we have the Ethernet port, that is the PoE input. and with a micro SD card, if I'm not mistaken, above the PoE port. And then all the way to the right is another USB-C port. I'm assuming this will be the one connected to the switch. The other USB-C on the left side is for power, backup power. If you don't have a PoE switch, then you're gonna use the USB-C. Anyways, that's it. At the bottom, again, the latch or the lever right here to open the hard drive bay. Okay, so the hard drive bay, this comes with the 1 terabyte HDD. This is what I got. They also have actually rolled out with a a little bit more expensive SSD version instead of HDD. If you want a faster one, especially when you have cameras, like I don't know, 6 to 8 cameras. Right now, I don't really need it, but I have a Samsung 860 EVO lying around. I'm just gonna show you guys how it will fit here. Although I'm not sure if I'm gonna need this, especially this is only 500 gigabytes. So we'll see. Probably can get away with this HDD right here, which is 1 terabyte. I don't have the cameras yet. Maybe in the future. Do I need to unscrew this? How do we take this off? Okay, that is the question. I didn't read the manual, so just so you guys know, I need to know how to remove this basically. I don't want to break it though. Okay, I guess you just like have to, yep, just a little bit of a stretching of the plastic area. Did it work? Yeah, I thought it snapped. Yeah, you just have to like really expand it outside. Just a plastic blocking it. So let's see if this works. Just like a simple Samsung. Yep, and there you go. Basically, yeah, because this hard drive right here is 2.5, basically the same size as the SSD. So basically, you just replace it in SSD, preferably at 1 terabyte, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure if I can get away with the 500 gigabytes right now. And then snap back in. There you go. I must say though, that was not a satisfying snap, to be honest with you. And there's a bit of an effort to open this actually. I mean, it's not a bad thing. It's just kind of hoping you have a satisfying snap. But now let's not use this right now. I want to use the 1 terabyte at least for the review, especially with a hard drive and all that. Once I get get to review the cameras, then yeah, I'm probably gonna change. By then I'll use a 1 terabyte SSD. For now, this should suffice, I think. Hopefully. Is it locked in? Okay, that's locked in. Snap it back. Oh, it doesn't want it to. Why don't you want to? Why don't you want to? Let's see. Okay, needs a little effort. Okay. All right, let's hook this up and migrate my Unifi controller to this bad boy right here. I'll see you later. All right, so we have the Unifi Cloud Key Gen2 Plus right here, as you can see. And I've already set this up right here. I have set the IP address. You have to go to the IP address, and then we are going to set this up for the first time. So set up the UCK G2 Plus. Okay, Ubiquiti is committed to securing your data and protecting your privacy. Let's click on that. Okay, console name, UCK G2 Console Plus. Name your, I want to put LCA right here. Maybe it might be 2, but for LCA Digital Media, just LCA, I guess. Agree. Next. Sign into UI. Okay, so I have where is my, right here. LCA Digital Media. Oh, I need a password. Let's get this done. I don't need, what? Issues with your ISP or did submit your support. What do you mean? What are you talking about? Let me see. Username. Password. It wants the email for some reason. I don't know why. But I don't know. It asked for a username, but it wants the email. It's weird. But you didn't find any backup. Okay. So for this one, actually, we are going to go back to our Unifi controller here that is running on the VM. We will go to System. We're going to create a backup again. I just wanted to show you guys. I already have it, but why not? Do that here. And if I'm not mistaken, after this, yep, we have to go to the advanced, and we have to do an inform host override. Override the inform host of your Unifi network devices. And basically, we will tell that we are, the controller is going to be moved to, what is it? 5, 10, 17 to 5. Okay, so 5 changes, and hopefully we can set this up. You know what? Let me do this again, just in case. Here we go. Upload a backup file. No, not there. What do you mean? I have the settings right here. Why? It's weird. Some reason it wouldn't let me. That's weird. This is the file. Okay, maybe here on Unifi. Okay, let's do that instead. Systems, advanced, inform host. Okay, that's it. Backup, download, settings only. It's weird, but okay. Let's wait for that. So this is from the Unifi site. It's taking a little longer because I guess it's not local. But we are going to be a little bit more patient. I don't know why it wouldn't let. That is so weird. But whatever. I mean, it is what it is. You could try it again. Why? It's weird. Link to your account. You can still upload a file. Yep. I want to upload a file. Okay, did I get it? Yeah, it's the same thing. I must be doing something wrong. Probably. Okay, whatever. We'll continue without backup and then we'll try to load it. Maybe that's what it needs. I haven't tried this, so, you know. Okay, setting up Unifi Key 1 Plus, about 1 minute. Here we go. Updating. Okay, about 5 more minutes. I will want to research more. Why? At the same time, there is something wrong with my Wi-Fi. Are there any clients connected? What is wrong? Oh, it's still updating. Okay. What seems to be the problem? It's adopting though. Alright, we're just gonna have to wait. Wow, it's still updating. It's longer than 5 minutes. Okay, so that was definitely not 5 minutes. That was more than 5 minutes. I don't know, probably 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But anyways, let us log in again. I'm pretty sure this wants me to use the email instead of username. Remember? Okay, one-time pass, authenticator. Here we go. Okay, so I think we are. Oh, let's set up the put it on system talk mode. Especially I have OLEDs. I want to use this. Okay, so Unifi OS official network. I don't have the protect access installed, not yet. Okay, they're all up to date. Unifi devices, view and network. To adopt this device, no, we don't want to reset. Probably need to do this again. Oh no, I need to go to restore. Here we go. This is the one, okay, because I was kind of worried earlier. Restore, okay, we're restoring everything. Hopefully this works. Okay, network offline. Here we go, starting. Okay, so Unifi devices. We're gonna have to wait again. Network starting. Console settings. Here we go. That is not the right IP address, but whatever. Storage right here. Okay, so I have 1 terabyte of storage. It's using 9 gigabytes. Oh, okay, interesting. So it's almost 10 gigabytes of that. So including, you know, when you hook up the Unifi Protect with the cameras, then yeah, that 1 terabyte is not that big. Okay, there is Unifi Space and all that. Oh, we don't have the cameras yet, so we're not doing that. We need to wait for this to adopt, I guess, because network is starting. All right, we're gonna have to wait again. So I'll be right back. All right, so finally up to date. I am thinking of trying to do the early access, but right now I want the official. Everything should be good. I don't have a Unifi Protect yet. We are going to be reviewing that later on with their new cameras, maybe 4K cameras. But right now, seems to be, if we go to Unifi devices, we see our U7 Pro right here. We also see the, what do you call this? The Unifi Pro Max 16 PoE switch right here. If you notice, there's only 2 right here, but that is because we are viewing from the Cloud Key Plus, which is the OS settings. This is the, if you see here, LCA UCK G2 Plus. But if you go to network, where the switch is, we go to topology, you can see the UCK G2 Plus right here and the U7 Pro. I'm not sure right now why it's like, I think the U7 Pro is like refreshing and all that, power cycling rather, after all the updates and all. But if you go, let's say, yep, we go to Unifi devices, you see everything right here, all 3 of them. And we have XLN 2.5, all that stuff. Let's go back to Cloud Key. You can set up the map. I'm not going to do that yet. Console settings is right here. Interestingly, yeah, you can transfer ownership and all that. But I think that should be it for now. It shows all the model here for the hard drive. When I will be getting the Protect, probably I will change this to an SSD, maybe a 1 terabyte, hopefully. But that's it for now. I'm gonna try to make this a little bit short. Just wanted to see if the Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus is still worth it in 2024. I'm not sure if if Unifi will be refreshing this one. It seems like they are pushing more and more of the like the Unifi Dream Machine and the Pro and all that, the gateways. But overall, yeah, it's been a good experience. It's just maybe a little bit of more than 10 minutes of updating and all that, but I guess, that comes with it. But anyways, that's it for now. Don't forget to smash the like button. And if you haven't yet considered subscribing to the channel, this is Lars. I'll see you in the next video.